What's up guys, Simon here with Tech Visibility, and today we are going to go ahead and unbox and review the latest headphones from Sony, the WH-1000XM4s. And if you are subscribed to this channel, you will know that I recently reviewed the 1000XM3s, which I believe and our company believes that they are the best noise canceling headphones out, or were, until Sony released the XM4s. So in this video, we're going to go over and see if the price difference between the XM3s and the XM4s is worth the upgrade, and what does the sound quality sound like in these headphones compared to the 1000XM3s. Before I get into that video, go ahead, check out techvisibility.com for product reviews and technology news, and then hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more of this type of videos or these type of videos. And let's get into this unboxing and review. Okay guys, so I have the 1000XM4s, the WH-1000XM4s. Judging by the packaging, and we could kind of take a look at our previous video as well of the box, it is pretty much the same box. There's not much has changed here. You have your model number in the front. The headphones actually look identical to the 1000XM3s from the outer packaging. You still get the 30-hour battery life here that's shown from this packaging, and you also get up to 38 hours battery life if the noise canceling is off. So the 30-hour battery life is when you have noise canceling on, and 38 hours with noise canceling off. One thing I love about these is they're about 10 hours more in battery life than the Bose QC35 IIs or even the Bose 700 noise canceling headphones. So over 10 hours more of battery life. Another great feature about the Sony 1000XM4s is with a 10-minute charge, you're going to get up to 5 hours of playtime for music. So that is incredible. 5 hours of playtime on a 10-minute charge means you can pretty much take any flight if you forgot to charge your headphones. And this comes with everything you need for in-flight listening as well. I like this packaging as I did with the 1000XM3s. Here you will see some basic functionality. So obviously you could swipe up on your headphone to increase your volume, swipe down to decrease it, and swipe left or right depending, or back and forward to skip a song or fast forward and so forth. And tapping it, you'll go ahead and pause and play. But it comes with your packaging that's saran wrapped. Okay, so it's one side open as the 1000XM3s. Right now, judging from the packaging here, you could tell that these are pretty much identical boxes to the 1000XM3s versus 1000XM4s. The box feels the same. I don't think much has changed. Then you do have your case here. And what I like about their cases is they do include this little sleeve right here for your zipper, so you don't scratch anything if you throw it in your bag. They also give you a little handle if you're carrying it around. Copper looking zipper to match the headphones. And we'll open them up here in a bit. You get a free trial of 360 Reality Audio. It's a music service by Sony, it looks like. So limited warranty card here. Basically you get 1 year warranty, which is pretty neat. Some instructions on how to use it. I remember opening this up and it was kind of funny in the 1000XM3s, and it looks like they kept everything the same. This is huge, guys. Do you see this? This is crazy. So it's a big old paper on how to use it. Quickly go over that as well. So turning it on and off, there's a couple switches on the 1000XM4s. In fact, they're the same as the 1000XM3s. So you basically hold your power button for 2 seconds to turn it on and off. This is showing you how to pair it with your phone. We're gonna go ahead and do that here. So on your right cup is where all your controls are. You're gonna double tap to answer a call and double tap to end a call. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple here, guys. On the other side, some more controls. So pairing it, hold the button down for 7 seconds on your phones. There's an app that allows you to pair it as well. This is the biggest point on how to use it. Swiping up on the cup and swiping down basically means control of volume. Left and right will mean that you are skipping songs. So enough with the boring stuff. Let's get into the product. Let's see if it's much better than the 1000XM3s, which actually I found to be the best noise canceling headphones you could buy. And the 1000XM4s are right here. They look identical to the 1000XM3s. Unfortunately, I don't have the 1000XM3s anymore. They look pretty much the same. So here we go. Overhead, you could see there's a change here, it looks like. So there is a little indent there in the headphone itself, and I'm curious as to what that is. We'll find out. But it's labeled pretty well, which is the right side. So left and right. Left is gray, right is red. Smooth feeling. I would say pretty much the same material. Let's take a look how they feel. Oh, okay, so these get much better cupping, I feel like, than the 1000XM3s did. Instantly putting these guys on, I already feel that it is turned down, including my voice, that ambience in the room. So the sound that's bouncing back, it's really well compressed in the headphone itself. So this is great. I think they made some changes to the cup a little bit. So let's put these guys away for a second. Let's go over this case. So your standard black cable for your 3.5 millimeter audio jack. You do have your USB to USB-C charger, and then you get a airplane headphone jack, and that looks like it's it. You have this card here as well. This card kind of just helps you with folding it. In the past video, if you saw my 1000XM3 video, I personally did not like this carry case in comparison to the Bose 700 model. This kind of reminds me of the older Bose style, but you would put the headphones away like so. So if you want to look, you just bend one headphone in and pop it in, and it does look great. It actually takes the QuietComfort 35 design in terms of putting away the headphones. Let's compare now the Bose 700 headphones case to the 1000XM4s, and we could take a quick look at the QuietComfort 3 case, and you can see the similarity in the case itself. Okay guys, so here I have the different types of cases. This is the Bose 700 case, which is a little bit bigger, and you could tell by the case of the two models. This is the 1000XM4s and the Bose 700s. So the cases are near identical, but just a tiny bit bigger would be the 700 case. The 700 design, which is your competitor if you're deciding between the two, does not fold like it used to. I do like this case a little better because of this flap here that allows you to store away your cables. So you could see that here. Now they're more sleek and modern in comparison to the 1000XM4s, and about the same size. I would say the thickness on the Bose 700s are thinner as well if you're looking to compare the two. Excellent product as well, but I wanted to just show you the reference between the 1000XM4s and maybe the QuietComfort 3s. So you see where they got their folding design from is similar to this one. My two favorite headphones are the Bose 700s, and then now maybe the 1000XM4s, and we're going to continue the review, and I'll let you know how well the Bose 700 sound in comparison to the 1000XM4s as well. Okay, so we have the Sonys here, and we're going to go ahead and open up the Headphone Connect app, which now has the 1000XM3s, and then there's a 1000XM4 software upgrade. As you can see, I previously had the 1000XM3s connected here, and I will go ahead and hold the power button, which is this button right here, on the 1000XM4s. And it just powered on just like so, and it's trying to connect. So we're gonna go switch to another device, and as you see quickly, the 1000XM4s popped up, and now I am connecting. Okay guys, so we actually finally paired the 1000XM4s. As they say during the app update, it will take about 40 minutes, and it's been about 40 minutes. In the meantime, I charged it to its maximum as well, just so we get the most use out of this video. Now let's take a look at the product here. It's fully updated, it's on, it's connected. Also has motion sensing, so it could tell if you're walking, if you're jumping, running, exercising, etc. And that allows it to better noise cancel your surrounding environment. Right now we are in different statuses, and we'll go over this menu really quick. So you have your status, you could play your song, adjust your volume. You have your sound, ambient sound control on, so that's noise canceling, and you could set it to different types of focuses right here, which is really neat. So you could focuses to have more or less reduction based on the app, such as you move the slider to the right, it becomes more amplified, so your ambient sound is turned on even more. You have your speak to chat. Basically, it gives you adaptive sound control, so when you're speaking, it will give your ambience regulated. So it detects your voice, and that's what it's doing right now. Hello, headphones. And it adjusts accordingly. So basically, yep, I feel it adjusting while I'm talking. Now, here we go back on. So it's constantly adjusting the ambient sound or the noise canceling. You could also make it focus on your voice. Like right now, when I clicked that focus on voice, I can hear myself clearly talk. At the same time, I know it's taking out any noise sound from the computer and so forth in the room, or maybe even the outside sound as well. So when you turn this off, it does not sound good talking and hearing yourself talk. It sounds very muffled and just not focusing on your own voice. You have a noise canceling optimizer in the app. These are pretty cool. So it's measuring your condition in the surrounding environment. It's playing some sounds right now as well. It's trying to adjust the atmospheric volume, analyzing the surrounding sound as well. So it also prepares it for the cup. Once it's done that, it changed the level of my sound here, and it turned off the focus on the voice, which I had on as well. Basically giving you atmospheric pressure. You can optimize your apps, sound quality, lots of different options in this menu here. But the biggest thing here is this upgrade worth it? And I'm gonna go ahead and open up my YouTube Music app, and we're gonna actually get to hear these. Right now the noise canceling is on. I would say that this noise canceling is a notch, not a big notch, but a notch better than the 1000XM3 model. They feel a little lighter on my head as well than the 1000XM3s. So these 1000XM4s are pretty good. So for sound, I like to pick classics, of course, but I also would pick a pop song, or maybe a popular song right now. Drake just released Pop Star. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, that sounds really good. I cannot complain, guys. I think these are the best sounding headphones. I can't hear myself talk, but they sound great. Okay, it's really good. Oh, the bass, oh my God. That bass is so impressive. It's incredible. You hear your mids, your highs. I don't know if I'm yelling right now, but the bass is up there, and it's one of the best sounding headphones out, guaranteed, hands down. All right, so that was incredible. The noise canceling is amazing on these. I listened to a Drake song just now, and that song had plenty of bass, it had plenty of surround. I felt like Drake, myself, and DJ Khaled were in the damn studio listening to this music. That's how good these are, really. It's amazing what they have accomplished with these headphones, and they continue to improve them. The comparison between the 1000XM3s, the noise canceling is a slight better. The bass is a little bit better, and it's a little bit clearer. I was halfway in the volume, and it was loud, guys. I don't think I could turn it up much louder. My eardrums were dancing, and they were having a good time. They're great. The noise canceling's a little better. The bass is a little bit better. They feel a little lighter on the head. Here's the big question. Are they worth that extra $100 or so in comparison to the 1000XM3s? Here's my answer. If I was on a budget and I was deciding between the Bose 700s, the 1000XM4s, and the 1000XM3s, yeah, my budget's around $200 or so. I would go with the 1000XM3s hands down. I feel like the audio is comparable to the 1000XM4s and still better than the Bose 700s in my opinion, as well as the noise canceling is on par with the Bose 700s as well, and on par with these 1000XM4s. You could actually get a lot of bang for the buck getting the previous generation model right now, and you'll be still satisfied with the quality of the sound. You get the same battery life, you get pretty much the same noise canceling, just a notch lighter probably, and you would experience such good music in your ears for a pretty much 30% less in price with these headphones, the design has not changed. No one would know that you pretty much have a 1000 XM4 or a 1000 XM3. And as you see in the video here, comparing the two designs, they look pretty much identical. It still has the 3.5 millimeter jack and your USB-C connection with an LED light letting you know there's a connection happening. I believe they added another microphone to these so that they get better adaptive sound control. But I gotta tell you, they were phenomenal, and so were the 1000 XM3s as well. The 1000 XM3s on Amazon, with the link below, check it out, are going for $247, while the 1000 XM4s, also on Amazon, check the link below, are going for $349. Guys, that's a $100 difference, and it's a big difference. I would say the 1000 XM3s are pretty good for the price. Being someone that could afford the extra $100, I definitely would opt for the 1000 XM4s. The little bit better quality and noise canceling, the little bit tiny better bass, and the clarity are pretty good touches for the upgrade. Please comment below. Share your experience with these headphones. I find these to be the best noise canceling headphones, and I would definitely choose them over the Bose 700 headphones. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Visibility's YouTube channel. Also check out techvisibility.com for your latest product reviews and news, and I'll catch you guys here next time. Thank you. Have a great day.